Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sara Raymond, and I am honored to guide you through this short yet powerful practice, an energetic cleanse to help you release what no longer serves you and restore a sense of balance and ease. Emotions are energy in motion, and just like the tides, the winds, and the shifting earth, energy within you is meant to move, to flow, and to be released and renewed. To begin, I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Whether you are seated or lying down, find a position that allows you to feel both supported and free. Take a moment to arrive, to feel the weight of your body as it settles into the surface beneath you. There is nothing for you to do now, nowhere to be but here. Let your breath flow naturally, just as it is. Sense the air moving in, expanding through you. Notice as you exhale, you can begin to soften, letting go of the day, letting go of any tension, letting go of anything not needed in this moment. Now bring your awareness to the foundation beneath you. The steady presence of the earth holding you, supporting you unconditionally. Imagine roots gently extending from your body, reaching deep into the earth, grounding you in its ancient wisdom, its unwavering stability. These roots connect you to something greater than yourself, an energy that can hold all that you are ready to release. With gentle curiosity, begin to notice the energy within you. Scan through your body, sensing where energy flows freely and where it may feel stagnant, dense, or heavy. There is no need to judge or fix, only notice. Perhaps you feel a lingering emotion, one that has settled within you, waiting to move. Perhaps there is tension in your shoulders or a tightness in your chest or a heaviness in your belly. Acknowledge these sensations as part of your experience. They are temporary, shifting, like clouds passing through the sky. Now, with your next breath, prepare to release. The earth is here to receive what you no longer need, to help you cleanse, to return you to balance. If your energy feels heavy, dense, or stagnant, give it to the earth. Imagine it melting down through your body, pooling at your feet, then sinking deep into the soil, where it is absorbed, purified, and transformed into something new. Let the weight drop away, returning to the earth that knows how to hold it. If your energy feels overwhelming, chaotic, or restless, surrender it to the water. Picture a flowing river, a vast ocean, or gentle waves lapping at the shore. Let your energy be carried away, effortlessly swept into the current, dissolving into the water's movement, into change, into a release. If you feel frustration, anger, or resistance, offer it to fire. See flames rising in your mind's eye, not destructive, but purifying and cleansing. Let the fire take in this energy, burning away what no longer serves, leaving behind clarity, warmth, and renewal. If you feel disconnected, lost, or stagnant, give this energy to the wind. Picture a soft breeze, or a mighty gust, or the breath of the earth itself. Let the wind lift your energy, untangling and unraveling all that is ready to leave. Watch as it is carried away, unburdening you. With each breath out, allow your energy to move, to flow, to release. Trust that what you are letting go of is being taken and transformed. Now, as space opens within you, breathe deeply calling in fresh, nourishing energy. Sense the earth's steady strength rising up through your roots, anchoring you in stability and safety. Feel the flow of water washing through you, filling you with ease and grace. Welcome the warmth of a safely contained fire, a soft glow of vitality expanding within you. Allow the wind to move through your spirit, clearing the way for lightness, clarity, and new beginnings. Breathe in renewal. Breathe in peace. Breathe in alignment with your truest self. Silently affirm, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome ease, balance, and vitality. I am grounded. I am free. Take another long, slow, steady breath, feeling your body resting and renewed. Slowly bring your awareness to the space around you. The feeling of air on your skin, the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. And when you are ready, open your eyes, returning to a full awareness, carrying with you the lightness, clarity, and sense of release you cultivated today. You are grounded, you are supported, you are whole. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you continue your day feeling grounded and in the flow.